Welcome to PartsFe. Ever wondered what keeps a commercial dishwasher running smoothly? It's the drain pump is key to removing dirty water. When it fails, quick replacement is crucial for hygiene and efficiency. Start by turning off the power and water supply. Remove the bottom access panel with a screwdriver. Disconnect the wires and drain hose. Keep a towel ready for any water. Next, unscrew and remove the faulty pump. Install your new pump, ensuring it matches your dishwasher model. Secure it with screws, then reconnect the hose and wires. Close the panel, restore power, and run a short wash cycle to check for leaks. For trusted commercial-grade parts, visit PartsFe USA, UK, and Canada. Follow us for more tips.